Hello students, today we are going to see this topic electronic cash payment system. So you all know this is the e-cash system. So uh, nowadays we are paying our cash by using our phone or card or any other means of electronic wallet methods. Okay, so electronic cash is e-cash is a currency that flows from the form of data. It converts the cash value into series of encrypted series number and use this serial number to represent the market value of various currencies in reality. Okay, so the first thing is cryptocurrency. So this cryptocurrency is this is also an e-cash, but it is very securely monitored, and you cannot able to hack it or change the value of it. Okay, so people have always valued unique and irreplaceable things. Okay, and unique thing always has a demand and acclaims a price. A cryptocurrency is unique value, virtual digital, which means asset. Okay, designated to work as a medium of enhanced using cryptographic algorithm. So this cryptography secures the transactions by recording it in a blockchain and controls the creation of additional units on the of the cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is also called crypto coins or e-cash or alternative currency or virtual currency, and as classified as the subset of a digital currency. Cryptocurrency can be defined as a distributed account system based on cryptography, storing information about the state of ownership in conventional units. The state of ownership of the cryptocurrency is related to individual systems blocks called portfolios. Only the holder of the corresponding private key would have the control over given portfolio, and it is impossible to issue same unit twice. The function of cryptocurrency is based on technology such as mining, blockchain, directed uh, acyclic uh, acyclic graph. Okay, distributed register, ledger, etc. Okay, so in the information about the transaction is usually not encrypted and it is available in clear text. Okay, so here you can see that the cryptocurrency is having a distributed ledger. Okay, so everybody will be acting as a server and they'll be acting as a client too. So everybody will have a ledger and everybody will should have the same data. Okay, if anything changes, then everybody should have changed the data. Okay, so this is distributed register. So this cryptocurrency was invented by David Sham in 1989. So next is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is another form of cryptocurrency. So this was being used from 2009, and here you can see that it uses SHA, secure hash algorithm. So you can see that in figure 16.8. 16.8. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin. So this is the symbol of Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency, but there are many other cryptocurrency which refers to altcoins. Okay, altcoins. Currently, more than 1,300 cryptocurrencies are listed over 2,200 special cryptocurrency stock exchange. Most are based on different types of blockchain technology. Okay, so next is altcoins. Altcoin is a collective uh, name for all the cryptocurrency that appear after Bitcoin. The early altcoins, Litecoins or name coins, appeared in 2011. Their miners struck to overcome a number of problems inheritance in Bitcoins. Okay, Litecoins has a higher transaction rate or uses blockchain technology uh, in in our in other areas. Okay, Namecoin was developed to build alternative route DNS service. Okay, so this is mining. Okay, what is mining? We can see that the cryptocurrency units are created by solving by solution of cryptographic task called mining. Okay, so the miners not only generate new monetary value but also initiate new transaction to the blockchain. As a reward, they will receive new bitcoins. Okay, so this is the process of getting new bitcoins while mining. So the process of mining is extremely electrical energy consumptive. So for example, while the whole Singapore nation consumes 48.59 trillion watt hour, okay, trillion watt hour electricity, the computer used to mine cryptocurrency around the world too consumes approximately same energy. A new cryptocurrency has been created all the time. Okay, so when the machine is, so this is known as that cryptocurrency machine. So that will continuously running, and it will create a Bitcoin while mining. Okay, so this is the transaction. The buyer will create a transaction or a Bitcoin. The transaction is distributed and validated by cryptographic hashing. So the distributed database will commit the blockchain to the miner as are rewarded. Okay, and the seller receives the transaction. So next is blockchain. So blockchain are an open distributed book that records transaction of cryptocurrency between any two parties is an effective and in a verifiable manner. Okay, so it is continuously growing list of records called blocks, uh, which are linked to each other and protected using encryption algorithm. Each block typically contains a hash points as linked to the previous block. So it records data about every transaction with the date and time. Once recorded, the date in any given block cannot be altered without the alteration of all sequential blocks. Blockchains are by default resistant to data modification. Without the approval of trusted authority, the validation of the coin of each encryption algorithm is provided by a blockchain. Okay, so you cannot able to break it. Okay, every transaction is being set with the date and time. So if you are changing any date, then the current then the all the transaction below that must be changed. So it creates a big a load to the CPU and it may crash. Okay, so and everybody who are all having this repository will be having the data. So everybody should change, and here it is impossible to break the blockchain. So since blockchains are safely designed with a high fault tolerance, it is best suited to distributed computer system. Decentralized structure of a blockchain solves the problem of double spending. Okay, so next is e-wallet, electronic wallet. So this you all know what is e-wallet. Amazon Pay, and PayPal, SPI Buddy. Okay, so these are all the wallet. You have to recharge the wallet with the monetary value, and you can pay with any e-wallet system. Okay, so this is also being used uh, in paying for the goods that we purchase or transact money from one account to another account. It's been done by using these kinds of mobile apps. Okay, so next is mobile banking and internet banking. So smartphones are used to do banking works like depositing money or withdrawing money, or even you can see that transferring money or paying for something. So this is mobile banking. Okay, so apps are available in the app stores to get the work done by using this mobile banking. So you have to install this mobile app, and you have to log into it with your account number, and then it will generate a mobile banking account for you, and then you will be given a pin number to authenticate the transaction, and then you can do any kind of transaction with this mobile app. Okay, so next is internet banking. So most of us now use mobile banking, but internet banking is the older version of this mobile banking. So instead of using mobile, you will be using computers or internet to do the banking work, like purchasing, or you can see that to transfer amount from one account to another account. So everything can be done by using this internet banking. So the same process is done here also. Okay, so the main advantages, you can do transaction all the 24 into 7, 365 days. Okay, so and the disadvantages, you have to you have to be connected to the internet to do this uh, internet banking. Okay, so the next is UPI. So you all know this is a UPI. It's a unified payment interface. So that is created by the Indian government to form a unified payment system, which was regulated by Reserve Bank of India. And you can see that there are two types of payments: IMPS, and you can see that this UPI is also available on the unstructured supplementary service data services. User who doesn't have internet can call and get UPI services within India. Okay, so this is mm, this is the UPI payment app. You can just pay online, scan for pay, and even money transaction can be done by using this UPI format. Okay, next is this kind of Beam. Okay, Bharat interface for money. So this is also an app that can be installed, and you can transact money from one account to another account with your own mobile app. Okay, so next is cash on delivery. So this is collecting the delivery item and providing the cash on the delivery, which is also known as COD. So the payment is done when the product is delivered to you, and you have to pay in cash. Okay, so this is cash on delivery. Okay, so cash on delivery, COD, is also known as collection on delivery. So uh, describe a mode of payment in which the payment is made only on the reception of good rather in advance. Originally, the term applies only to cash payments, but since other forms of payments has been more common, the cash has been replaced with collect. Okay, collect on delivery. So transaction may be used, can be done by using credit card or debit cards or even mobile banking. COD is often used as an alternative payment option in commerce, e-commerce, it offers the reception and advantages of paying only the when the commodity is handed over. This is likely similar to the traditional system. If the goods are not paid, then they are returned to the retailer. Okay, so this is cash and delivery system. So it has a very advantageous system to the uh, both the retailer and as well as the customer. Okay, the person who is selling the good and the person who is receiving the goods. Okay, so with this we are finishing this chapter 16. In the next class we'll be seeing the chapter 17, e-commerce security systems. Okay, so thank you, students.